Can you really turn your Wave balance into cash? Let's dive in. Ever since mobile money services exploded onto the scene, one question has lingered on everyone's lips. Can you actually withdraw physical cash from your digital wallet? Today, we're tackling this head-on, specifically focusing on Wave, a popular platform in many regions. So, if you've been using Wave to send and receive money but haven't gotten around to withdrawing cash, you're in the right place. We'll break down everything you need to know, from the different withdrawal methods to any potential fees involved. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. What exactly is Wave, and how does it work? Understanding Wave, your digital money hub. Wave functions as a mobile wallet service, allowing you to ditch the bulky wallet and embrace the convenience of digital transactions. With Wave, you can send and receive money to anyone with a Wave account. Think of it as a digital piggy bank you can share with friends and family. Pay bills directly through the app, ditch the long queues, and settle utilities, subscriptions, and more with a few taps. Top up your airtime or data plan, stay connected without leaving the comfort of your couch. Now, all these features are fantastic, but what if you need those digital funds in your hand? That's where cash withdrawals come in. Cash is king, sometimes withdrawing from your Wave account. The good news is, yes, you can absolutely withdraw cash from your Wave account. Wave offers two main methods for getting your money in physical form. Agent network. This is a widespread option, especially in regions where Wave operates. Wave partners with a vast network of agents, think shops, kiosks, and designated outlets, that allow you to initiate a withdrawal. You'll simply need to visit a Wave agent, provide your account details and the amount you want to withdraw, and they'll dispense the cash. Wave Cash Out. This method leverages mobile banking for a more streamlined experience. If your bank account is linked to your Wave account and supports Wave Cash Out, you can initiate a transfer directly from the Wave app. The funds will then be deposited into your bank account, from where you can make a traditional withdrawal. Important considerations, fees, and limits. While withdrawing cash from Wave is convenient, it's crucial to be aware of any associated fees. These can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose and the specific agent you use. Agent network. Expect a small withdrawal fee charged by the agent. This fee is typically deducted from the amount you're withdrawing, so keep that in mind when calculating your final cash amount. Wave Cash Out. This method might come with bank transfer fees depending on your bank's policies. Always double-check with your bank before initiating a Wave Cash Out to avoid any surprises. There are also withdrawal limits to consider. These limits are set by Wave to ensure the security and stability of the platform. The exact limits will depend on your region and account verification status. Maximizing your Wave experience, tips and tricks. Now that you know how to withdraw cash from Wave, here are some bonus tips to make the most of your experience. Find a reliable Wave agent, ask around for recommendations, or check the Wave app for a list of verified agents in your area. Plan your withdrawals. Knowing the withdrawal limits can help you avoid multiple trips to the agent if you need a larger sum. Consider alternatives. If you frequently need cash, linking your Wave account to a bank that supports Wave Cash Out can be a more convenient option. Stay informed. Wave's policies and features can evolve over time. Make sure to check their website or app for the latest updates. The final takeaway, Wave, your flexible financial partner. Wave offers a powerful and convenient way to manage your finances digitally. While withdrawing cash is a great option for those who still prefer physical money, Wave's versatility allows for seamless digital transactions. By understanding the withdrawal methods, fees, and limits, you can make informed decisions about managing your Wave balance. So, whether you're paying bills on the go or topping up your phone, Wave empowers you to take control of your finances with ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.